See, find the factors of 24. See, 24 is 1 into 24. Therefore, 1 is the factor. Then 1 into 24 comes 2 into 12. Right? 2 ones are 2, 2 into 12. Therefore, what are the factors? 2 and 12 also factors. Right? Then again, what this is? 2 into 12 can be written as 2 into 6. You keep always two numbers here. Here now 3 numbers are there, no? 2 twos are 4, 4 into 6. Now only 2 numbers are there here now. And what are the factors? 4, 6. 4, 6 is also the factors. Right? Again, 4, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Right? Then 4 3s are 12 into 2. Again what? 12, 2. Or you can do this way. 4 into 2 into 3. Can I write like this? 4 into 4 2s are 8 into 3. 8 3s are 8, 3. Therefore, what do you observe from this? Look, factors of 24 is 1, 2, 12, 4, 6. Again 12 and 2 is there. 12 and 2 is there. 8 and 3. Write in the increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. These are the factors of 24. You understood? Therefore, this is one of the way, so many ways are there. Factors of this. Then again, another question is HCF of 9 and 27. What is 9 and 27? Highest common factor of 9 and 27. How to do this? 9 can be written as 3 into 3, 9. 27 can be 3 into 9. Can you follow? Therefore, what are the factors of 9? Factors of 9 is what? 3 and 3. 3 only. Right? 3 also only, even 1 into 9, 9 only. 1 and 3. Factors of 1 and 3. Then what is factors of 27? 27 is what? 3 and 9. Right? See, again I'll write 1 and 3 is a factor. Factor for 27, 1 and 3 and 9. 1 is common factor everywhere. But which is highest common factor they want? Highest common factor. 1 is also common factor. 3 is also common factor. 9 is not a common factor. But which is the highest here? This is the highest common factor of what? 9 and 27 is what? 3 only. Can you follow? Highest common factor of this one? 3. Okay. 1 is also factor of 9. 1 into 9. 3 into 3. Then again 9 into 1 factor, right? Similarly, what are factors of 27? Factor of 27, 1, 3, 9. Right? 3 is a. Therefore, this is also a factor, this is also a factor, this is also a factor, this is also a factor. Which is the greatest common factor? Here, 9. Therefore, highest common factor of 9 and 27. Here, see, what you have to do is, see, 9 can be written as 1 into 9, 9. 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. Similarly, 27. What are the factors of this one? 1, 3, 9, including 27, you write it. Right? 27. This is also a factor because 27 comes 27 into 1. And this is a common factor, this is a common factor, this is a common factor. But which is the highest common factor? Right? 9. Right? 27 is not a common factor. Therefore, highest common factor is 9. Can you follow? See, you must know what is natural number. What is natural number? Natural number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. They are called natural number. Now 2, 4, 6, 8 you take it. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are called even number. Even number. That's called even number. What are odd number? Odd number. Odd number is what? 1, 3, 5, 7. Again what? 9. These are divisible by 2. These are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 12s are. Divisible. This is not divisible by 2. 9, 11, 15. Called odd number. Now, what is composite number? Composite number. Composite number is what? It is a multiple of this one. See, odd number is right. 5 can be what? 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 7, 7. These are, but 9 can be written as 3 into 3. But this also odd. This also odd. But 3 into 3. 15 you take it. 15. 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15. This is odd. This is also odd. Therefore, a composite number can express is the product of, product means multiplication. Product of two odd numbers. Product means multiplication of two odd number. Take 18. 18 can as what? Even number, no? It is even number. 8 into 9, it is even number. But therefore, they may give you like this. Different questions they'll ask you. Alright? I'll tell you another problem. What is composite number? What is even number? How you are going to separate all that? What are prime number? In the next class.